Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the Xiaomi Smartband 9, the next generation fitness tracker from Xiaomi. And as you can see here, they have the same look of the Xiaomi Smartband 8, but with different specs, I think. Okay. So on this video, we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. And as you can see here, I think we do have the blue color for the Xiaomi Smartband 9. If you don't know, if you are not aware about the color of this wearable, it is available in silver, black, pink, and blue. So we have the blue color. There's also an option for ceramic material for the body frame of the Xiaomi Smartband 9. That is the, I think it's a white color if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we will have the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm excited to check on this fitness tracker. Subscribe to our channel as we'll provide you with a in-depth review of this wearable from the notifications, health, and of course comparison with other fitness tracker, especially with a Smartband 8. Again, this is a Chinese version of the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So there's no word yet, there's no news yet for the global version of this fitness tracker. Okay, let's see. Xiaomi 9. So we have here the user manual. So here are the contents, the user manual. We have a charging cable. Let's see if it's, yep, it's similar to the previous fitness tracker, I think. Then we have the Xiaomi Smartband 9, and yes, it is the blue color. Okay, so let's remove the plastic cover here. Do we have other contents? None. Okay. Again, here are the contents of our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Chinese version. We have the fitness tracker with a strap attached to it. We have the charging cable, pogo pin, and still USB type A, and of course we have the user manual. Okay, so that's it. Next, let's weigh in the fitness tracker. Let's check on the weight of this wearable. Okay, do we still have, okay, we still have a battery. 27.54 grams. Okay, and for the thickness here, so it's a bit thick. Seems like it is thicker than the Xiaomi Smartband 8. It's around, I think, 10 millimeter. And we do have here semi-glossy finish for the blue color. We have a flexible silicone strap. We have here the sensor. I think this is detachable. Yes. Okay. And still it has a sporty capsule-like look that is similar to the Xiaomi Smartband 8. Okay, to charge this one, we don't have any physical buttons here. To be able to activate the smart band, you have to charge it first. For the specs, so we have here AMOLED screen display, 192 by 490 pixel resolution, 1.62 inch, so without strap, 15.8 grams. Aluminum alloy body, treated with sandblasting technology. There's also a ceramic special edition. For the sensors, we have low power consumption 3-axis accelerometer, gyroscope, PPG heart rate, SpO2, 5 ATM waterproof. It is Bluetooth 5.4. It is using the Hyper OS with the colors silver, black, pink, and blue for its body frame. Again, let's have a closer look at the Xiaomi Smartband 9. PC back cover here, but we do have a metal body frame. Okay, it's cute. It's decent. Okay, so let's have a look at the display here. Okay, so we charge it for just a few seconds, and as you can see here, the screen is activated. You have to choose, okay, from different languages. We'll pick English. And as you can see here, we have an instructions to download the app to pair the band. What else? About Xiaomi Smartband 9 model M2345B1. You have an option to reset and reboot. Okay, in our case, we'll try to download the app and pair the fitness tracker so we can see the UI. And that is for our second video for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. Watch out for our second video, the Xiaomi Smartband 9 unboxing review of its menus and features. Bye!